Hey, in this video, I will show you how to stay offline on WhatsApp but still read and send messages. It's actually a very interesting tutorial that I think you'll enjoy. So before we start, just give the video a like for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new, we just hit 13k subscribers. Let's jump into the video. So what you want to do is obviously open up WhatsApp, and from there you want to go on the settings, which is the top right corner, bottom right corner settings. From there, go to account, click the first option, privacy. From privacy, you want to change three things. First, last seen, click here, set it to nobody. The second thing is go to status, click only share with, and just select no contacts. So just click on done. So it says only share with 0 contacts. And then read receipts, you want to have that off. Basically, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people, but also other people won't see that you've read stuff. So you can now send messages, but still stay offline. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you next one.